Ever dreamed of blasting off into the cosmos, owning a piece of the future? Well, space tourism is no longer just a sci-fi fantasy. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are making it a reality. But before you dive headfirst into a space investment, let's explore the cosmic risks involved. The allure of space exploration is undeniable. The promise of groundbreaking discoveries, resource extraction, and even interplanetary travel is tantalizing. However, as with any emerging industry, there are significant risks. Risk number 1, technological immaturity. Space travel is still in its infancy. Rockets are complex machines, and accidents can happen. The recent failures of various missions highlight the inherent risks. Investing in a nascent technology like space travel means embracing uncertainty. Risk number 2, regulatory hurdles. The space industry is subject to a patchwork of international regulations. Changes in these regulations can significantly impact the value of your investment. Additionally, the legal framework for space property rights is still evolving, adding another layer of complexity. Risk number 3, market volatility. The space industry is highly volatile. Stock prices can fluctuate wildly based on factors like mission successes, failures, and regulatory changes. This volatility can make it challenging to predict long-term returns. Risk number 4, financial risk. Space exploration is an expensive endeavor. Even for established companies, funding missions can be a significant financial burden. If a company fails to secure adequate funding, it could impact the value of your investment. Risk number 5, ethical concerns. As humanity ventures into space, we must grapple with ethical questions. Issues like space debris, the potential for extraterrestrial contamination, and the long-term environmental impact of space activities are all concerns that could influence the industry's future. Mitigating the risks. While the risks are real, there are strategies to mitigate them. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across multiple space companies to reduce risk. Long-term perspective. Space exploration is a long-term endeavor. Don't expect immediate returns. Thorough research. Before investing, do your due diligence. Understand the company's business model, financial health, and technological capabilities. Consult a financial advisor. Seek advice from a qualified financial advisor who can help you assess your risk tolerance and develop an investment strategy. Space exploration is a thrilling frontier, but it's important to approach it with caution. By understanding the risks and taking a strategic approach, you can navigate the cosmos of investment opportunities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.